During this time of year, many people consider moving to another medical scheme because their savings account is depleted, which means your out-of-hospital expenses was more than you anticipated. Hello, my name is Eloise, and I want to caution you against moving to another medical scheme during the year if you've got a savings account. The reason for my caution is, if you move to another medical scheme, there's a calculation which can cause a clawback. That is what the medical scheme call it, if you have to pay back the savings account funds that you already used. So your savings account funds is given from 1 January to 31 December, and if you resign during the year, they will do a calculation to see if the funds for the rest of the remainder of the year has been used up. And if you already use your savings, so from the cancellation date until the 31st of December, you will have to pay back that savings account. And that is not always very convenient. But if you move at the end of the year and you start your new medical aid from the 1st of January, that rule will not apply. So just be cautious about paying back your savings account. However, if you've got a hospital plan, it doesn't matter. Let me know if you have any questions.